Hello, I'm Jim Wright, Technical Director at Umbrella Consulting. And in this SYSPRO quick tip, I'm going to show you how to apply a company license to your SYSPRO 8 instance. So the first thing I'm going to do is come to my login screen from a SYSPRO client. I'm going to hit the magnifying glass here beside the company selection. And when I'm in here, you'll see License Manager up at the top. Assuming that you have access to use this, when you click it, you'll see that you have a couple of options here to select a new license, which is what we're going to do. And then to apply to all companies, meaning if you're a SYSPRO instance with 12 different SYSPRO companies, you can apply that license to all of them at once. Or if you want to apply a license to just one company, you can use the Apply to Selected Companies button. The reason you might do that is if you got a trial license or weren't quite sure if it's going to work, you can put it onto just one test company and make sure before you apply it to all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and select the new license. And then all you have to do is browse to it. In this case, I just put it right there, open that up, hit next. You can do a quick double check of the items that you have licensed. For example, in this case, I have 4 licenses. The expiry year is this year, and it's for SYSPRO 8. When I finish that, it's going to ask me if I want to apply this immediately. If I want to do it to only certain companies, I can say no. But in this case, I'll just say yes. And company's updated 1 because that's how many I have. And then I'm good to go. Select that and log in, and everything works. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.